Florida is renowned for its diverse marine ecosystem and is often referred to as the fishing capital of the world. The state's extensive coastline, numerous bays, estuaries, and access to both the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico create an ideal environment for a wide variety of saltwater fish species. This video explores some of the most commonly caught saltwater fish in Florida waters. We'll start with the snook. These are typically found in warmer waters, inhabiting mangroves, estuaries, and nearshore reefs. They prefer brackish environments and are often found around structures like docks and bridges. Snook have a distinct lateral line, elongated body, and protruding lower jaw. They are known for their agility and fighting ability when hooked, making them a favorite among sport fishermen. They are most commonly caught in the spring and fall, with a seasonal closure during their spawning period from May to August in Gulf waters and December to February in Atlantic waters. Another fish, the tarpon, is a migratory fish found in coastal waters, bays, and estuaries. They are also known to venture into freshwater. They thrive in warm waters and are most common around the Florida Keys and the Gulf Coast. Tarpon are known for their large size, silver scales, and acrobatic leaps when hooked. They can grow up to 8 feet in length and weigh over 200 pounds. Peak fishing season is from late spring to early fall, especially around the Florida Keys. Tarpon are primarily a catch-and-release species, with a special permit required for harvesting. We now move on to the spotted seatrout, which are common in shallow coastal waters, seagrass beds, and estuaries. They prefer slightly saline waters and are often found near oyster beds and sandbars. They have a silvery body with dark spots on the back, dorsal fin, and tail. They are relatively small compared to other sport fish, but are highly sought after for their taste. They can be caught year-round, with peak seasons in the spring and fall. Next we have the grouper species, including gag, red, and black grouper, are commonly found around rocky reefs, ledges, and artificial structures in deeper offshore waters. Groupers are known for their stout bodies and large mouths, which allow them to ambush prey. They are strong fighters and highly prized for their culinary value. Grouper fishing is typically best in the spring and fall, though seasons and closures vary by species and region. Next is the Mahi-Mahi, also known as dolphin fish, are pelagic fish found in offshore waters, often around floating debris and weed lines. They are brightly colored, with a blue-green body and yellow sides. Mahi-Mahi are known for their speed and acrobatic jumps, making them a popular target for sport fishing. They are most abundant from spring through fall. Now we discuss the king mackerel, which are migratory fish found in coastal and offshore waters, often around reefs and wrecks. They have a streamlined body with silvery sides and a greenish-blue back. Known for their speed and agility, they are a favorite among anglers. Peak season is from spring through fall, depending on their migration patterns. We now move on the Spanish mackerel, which are found in inshore and coastal waters, often near reefs and seagrass beds. They are smaller than king mackerel, with a slender body and distinctive yellow spots on the sides, best caught from spring through fall. Another great group of fish are the snappers, including the popular red snapper and mangrove snapper, inhabit reefs, wrecks, and rocky bottoms in both inshore and offshore waters. Snappers are known for their vibrant colors and delicious flaky meat. They are often targeted by both commercial and recreational fishermen. Seasons vary by species, with some, like the red snapper, having specific open and closed seasons. We move on to the Spanish grunt, which are commonly found in shallow reefs, seagrass beds, and mangrove areas. They are more abundant in the Caribbean and the southern parts of Florida. Spanish grunts have a silvery body with horizontal blue stripes and a yellowish hue on the fins. They are typically small, averaging around 6 to 10 inches in length. Their name grunt comes from the grunting sound they produce by grinding their pharyngeal teeth. While not typically targeted for sport fishing, they are a common catch and are sometimes used as bait for larger predatory fish. Next, there is the parrotfish, which are primarily found around coral reefs, seagrass beds, and rocky substrates in warm, shallow waters. Parrotfish are known for their bright, vibrant colors and unique beak-like teeth, which they use to scrape algae from coral and rocks. They have a characteristic parrot-like beak formed by fused teeth and can change color and sex during their lifetime. Parrotfish play a crucial ecological role in maintaining coral reef health by controlling algae growth. They are not typically targeted for sport fishing, but are sometimes caught for food in certain areas. Another fish found in Florida waters is the barracuda. They are commonly found in coastal and offshore waters, around reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds. They can tolerate a wide range of salinities and are often seen near the surface or at midwater levels. Barracudas have a long, slender, and torpedo-shaped body with a silvery coloration and dark spots on the sides. They have a prominent, sharp-edged snout and large, dagger-like teeth. Barracudas can grow up to 6 feet in length and are known for their speed and predatory behavior. While barracudas are known for their aggressive behavior and are sometimes considered a nuisance, they are also a popular sport fish due to their strong fight. They are generally not targeted for food due to the risk of ciguatera poisoning. These fish species represent a small but diverse selection of the marine life found in Florida waters. Anglers and the fishing community are encouraged to practice responsible fishing to ensure the sustainability and conservation of these and other fascinating species. Please like and subscribe in order to be alerted of new content.